Well guys, meet Sia. S-I-A is how I'm actually spelling her name, and I'm going to get her out, and I picked her up on Tuesday and today is Sunday, so I've pretty much left her be until now, and I know the lighting's not very good, but I'm going to go outside with her and let her get a little bit of sunshine, which she needs to get. Now, Sia is a snake that has not had a lot of handling in her life. She's 3 years old. She's got a bit of length on her, but she needs to get a little bit of weight on her as well. She is not used to being handled. That's the end of the story. It's something that she's not had a lot of in her life, so she's not hissing at me. That's a good thing. I'm hoping curiosity of having the door open may get the better of her as well. I certainly don't want to stick a camera into her face at all, so hence why I'm not going in there with this camera. She'll be thinking, what is that thing that you've got in your hand, let alone what is your hand, pretty much, for Sia. So I'm going to get her out, and I wanted to show you me getting her out. As you can see, I've moved my hand a little bit. She's well aware that I'm here and wondering, is she going to come in and get me? And I am. I'm just spinning that light around so you can get a little bit better view of her, but of course you'll see so much more of her outside. I can't set the camera up really anywhere that I feel is well, I might be able to move this plant out of the way, and I might be able to I mean, I am not going to dawdle, guys, in getting her and picking her up. It will be the worst thing that I can do is to go in there too slow. I don't want to go in there too fast either. She's well aware, that I've picked her up. I went and saw her a couple of times, and both times I went in and I picked her up. So she knows that is me. She doesn't know me that well though. Not yet. She just knows this woman, when she has seen me, has picked me up. That's all she knows about me at this point. That trust and that bond and everything is yet to come between Sia and myself. So, but you know me, it will happen. I will be making sure it happens. She's going to get a little bit of handling and not a lot today, so it will be a very, very brief video with her outside getting a little bit of sun. And I'm going to offer her something to eat tonight too. So I'm not concerned about the fact I've got her out first and then I'm going to try and feed her. If she's hungry, she's going to eat. So I haven't seen her out of the hide box. She has been in that hide the whole time since I got her home. She did a little bit of an explore when she first got here. She found the heat, the hide box, that was it. I've gone into her virtually every day and said hello to her. And of course she's hissed and carried on at me like a 2-bob watch, haven't you? But I haven't touched her. So today is the day. So I'm going to turn off. I'm going to get her out. So I will be back. As I said, I could put the camera in, but I don't need more strange objects in front of this little girl today. So, be back shortly. Oh, before I go, Sia is a diamond python. So, yes, I've got my diamond python. I didn't say that at the start, did I? But if you're aware of Morelias and you know them, you will know by the pattern exactly what she is. So, anyway, wish me luck. I don't think she'll go me, but, you know, you never know, do you? Well, I've got the girl out. She was fine, guys. Truly. She gave a little tiny hiss at me. Hang on, I'm just going to open the door for her. And we're going to go out in this sunlight with her. I mean, it's, oh, there she is. Have a look at that. Like, you know, I've seen her and I haven't really seen her out in the light as such. I haven't got a light in there for her, but I am going to be putting a UV in there for her because diamond pythons do need UV, guys. They truly do. So, you know, from what I know, she is used to coming out in the sun. I just got some ants away from her. Here she comes. Here she comes. Hey, Baba. Hey, Sia. Hello, darling. No, I'm not forcing myself on her. I don't need to. Of course, she isn't a baby. She's a 3-year-old. You can see her. There she is. Well, you can see her tail. That's what you can see. And there's her little head. She's gonna hide under the blanket. So this is the first video, guys, of Sia. So, you know, I was so excited to get her. I really, really was. And, you know, I was going to get a baby, but, hey, she needed a home. She really did. She was going to be a breeder for this guy, and he changed directions and decided he wasn't going to breed diamonds. And so she kind of became a snake that he didn't require anymore. So, you know, he had not put time in with her because of the fact that, you know, she was just going to be a breeder for him. And, you know, things change, I guess, for breeders all the time. And hey, I get myself one beautiful, beautiful girl. And she does have some yellow in her. She is not completely black and white. I don't know if you can, of course, see that. That little hint of that yellow running through her. But she's certainly a very, very pretty girl. We've just got to work on that pretty temperament that I know she will have. With time, she will have it. You know, I didn't expect her to be cruisy out here yet, but I needed and wanted her to get out into the sun. And even though I'm not sitting in the sun because it's extremely hot, she will get some sunshine on her. So, you know, she's not seeming too stressed. I want to get some good meals into her. She has been, or has been fed a weaner twice a week, and I've got some larger weaners in there that I will start giving her once a week and get a little bit more size onto her, and she should get up to a small rat pretty soon, I hope, and you know, start to put a little bit of weight on, of course, but yeah, she's just gonna sit there. You're not gonna move, sweetie. Hey, you're not gonna move for Mum. Hey, let's see if I can get a bit more of a close-up for you. There she is. As you can see, she's breathing a little bit heavy, but that's to be expected. I'm not, you know, that's fine. So I'm not going to, you know, keep her out here for too long. Of course, I'm going to pick her up now. As you can see, look. Oh, you can't see, but look at this. That tells me she needs feeding, and she needs to get some feeds into her. When you can pull their skin, which I'm doing, you know, she needs to get some tucker in that body of hers. And tonight's the night. You know, she's not worried about me. She's more sort of worried about what's out there. And you might be thinking, well, why did you take her outside? She's been inside for a week. Well, not here. I know she hasn't been outside with who had it before me for a little while. And she needs to come out here at least twice a week until I get a UV light into her enclosure. And it really won't matter to me, because you know me, she's going to be outside anyway, no matter what. She's going to have her time outside a couple of times a week, so she's going to get that sunshine that she needs. But there she is, guys, and I, you know, just wanted you to see her. But as you can see, she does need to put on some weight, and she will. You know, she's flattened, you know. It's okay, bub. It's okay, bub. Oh, sorry, I haven't got you on it because I'm in the Zoom zone. As I am, she'll get used to me bungling with this camera, I tell you. Okay, bub. Where'd you going? It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Nothing to worry about. You're quite safe out here, sweetie. Totally safe. So that's it, guys. Honestly, that's it. That's all I wanted to do with her today. You know, it's a start. I'll go inside and sit with her for a little while and let her get to know me personally a little bit more. I wanted to share her with you as well. So this is Sia, my diamond, and she is gorgeous, just gorgeous. So you know how it goes. Take care of yourself, your family, and your snakes.